Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the amazing world of flaxseed and uncovering 8 powerful benefits you need to know about. You know me, I love talking about simple changes that make a big impact on your health, and flaxseed is a perfect example of that. We're going to break down those benefits, backed by science of course, so you know exactly how to incorporate this nutritional powerhouse into your daily diet. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are vital for our overall health and well-being. They are called essential because our bodies can't produce them on their own, so we need to get them from our diet. You've probably heard how important those are, right? Omega-3 are often mentioned in health articles, nutritionist recommendations, and even in casual conversations about healthy eating. But do you know why they are so crucial? Well, flaxseed is packed with them, specifically a type called ALA, or alpha-linolenic acid. ALA is a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that our bodies can convert into other essential fatty acids like EPA and DHA, which are more commonly found in fish. Now, our bodies need omega-3 for a ton of functions, but 2 of the biggest are heart and brain health. These fats play a critical role in reducing inflammation, which is a key factor in many chronic diseases. Think of omega-3 like the good fats that keep your heart pumping strong and your brain firing on all cylinders. They help maintain the flexibility of cell membranes, which is essential for the proper functioning of cells in the heart and brain. Studies have even shown that getting enough omega-3 can help lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels, which is huge for preventing heart disease. High blood pressure and high cholesterol are major risk factors for heart attacks and strokes. And when it comes to your brain, omega-3 are crucial for memory, focus, and even mood. They support the structure of brain cells and are involved in the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that transmit signals in the brain. So, adding flaxseed to your diet is like giving your heart and brain a super boost. You can easily incorporate flaxseed into your meals by adding it to smoothies, sprinkling it on salads, or even baking it into bread and muffins. It's a simple and delicious way to enhance your health. Remember, while flaxseed is a fantastic source of ALA, it's also important to have a balanced diet that includes other sources of omega-3, like fish, walnuts, and chia seeds. This ensures you get a variety of these essential fats to support your overall health. By making small changes to your diet and including nutrient-rich foods like flaxseed, you can make a big impact on your health. So why not start today? Your heart and brain will thank you for it. Now, inflammation is a natural process that helps your body heal. It's your body's way of protecting itself from infection, illness, or injury. When something damages your cells, your body releases chemicals that trigger a response from your immune system. This process is essential for healing. But what happens when inflammation becomes chronic? That's when things get messy. Chronic inflammation can persist for months or even years, and it can occur even when there's no apparent injury or illness. This prolonged state of inflammation can lead to a host of health issues. It's linked to a whole bunch of health problems, from heart disease to arthritis, diabetes, and even certain cancers. Chronic inflammation can damage your tissues and organs over time, leading to serious health complications. The good news is that flaxseed contains compounds called lignans, which have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Lignans are a type of phytoestrogen, which are plant compounds that can mimic the hormone estrogen in the body. They also have antioxidant properties, which help protect your cells from damage. Think of lignans like little firefighters, calming down inflammation throughout your body. They work by blocking certain enzymes that are involved in the inflammatory process, reducing the production of inflammatory chemicals. Studies have shown that flaxseed can be especially helpful for people with arthritis, reducing joint pain and stiffness. Arthritis is a condition characterized by inflammation of the joints, and incorporating flaxseed into your diet can help manage the symptoms. So, if you're dealing with any kind of inflammatory condition, adding flaxseed to your diet could be a game changer. You can sprinkle flax seeds on your yogurt, add them to your smoothies, or even bake them into your bread. It's an easy and delicious way to boost your health and fight inflammation naturally. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. Let's talk fiber. It's one of those essential nutrients that often gets overlooked, but it's incredibly important for our overall health. It's something we all need more of. And guess what? Most of us aren't getting nearly enough in our daily diets. Flaxseed is an excellent source of it, both soluble and insoluble fiber. These tiny seeds pack a powerful punch when it comes to boosting your fiber intake. Now, fiber is like the cleaning crew for your gut. keeping things moving and grooving. It sweeps through your digestive tract, helping to clear out waste and keep everything running smoothly. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance, which helps lower cholesterol and regulate blood sugar levels. This type of fiber can be particularly beneficial for heart health and managing diabetes. By forming this gel, soluble fiber slows down digestion, which can help you feel fuller for longer and prevent overeating. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to your stool, preventing constipation and promoting regularity. This type of fiber is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system and preventing issues like hemorrhoids and diverticulitis. Think of insoluble fiber as the broom that sweeps through your intestines, making sure everything moves along at a steady pace. So, by incorporating flaxseed into your diet, you're giving your digestive system the support it needs to function at its best. Whether you sprinkle it on your yogurt, blend it into a smoothie, or mix it into your morning oatmeal, flaxseed is a versatile and easy way to boost your fiber intake. Plus, flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart and brain health. They also contain lignans, which have antioxidant properties and can help reduce inflammation in the body. So, not only are you supporting your digestive health, but you're also giving your body a host of other benefits. It's a small addition to your diet that can make a big difference. Remember, a healthy diet is all about balance and making sure you're getting a variety of nutrients. Adding flaxseed is a simple step you can take towards better health. So, why not start today? Your body will thank you for it. Struggling with weight management? Flaxseed can be a helpful tool in your arsenal. Remember that fiber we talked about? Well, it plays a key role in weight management by keeping you feeling full and satisfied after meals. That's because fiber absorbs water and expands in your stomach, which sends signals to your brain that you're full. This can help prevent overeating and those pesky cravings that can sabotage your weight loss efforts. Plus, flaxseed is relatively low in calories, making it a great addition to a balanced diet. We all know that high cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease. But did you know that flaxseed can actually help lower your cholesterol levels? It's true. Remember those soluble fibers we talked about earlier? Well, they bind to cholesterol in your digestive system and prevent it from being absorbed into your bloodstream. This helps lower your levels of LDL cholesterol, also known as the bad cholesterol. And some studies have even shown that flaxseed can raise HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol that protects your heart. A healthy gut is crucial for overall health and well-being, and flaxseed can play a big role in keeping your gut happy. We already talked about how the fiber in flaxseed promotes regularity and prevents constipation, but it goes beyond that. Flaxseed acts as a prebiotic, which means it feeds the good bacteria in your gut. These good bacteria are essential for digestion, nutrient absorption, and even immune function. So by incorporating flaxseed into your diet, you're not only supporting healthy digestion, but also promoting a thriving gut microbiome. Now, this is an area of ongoing research, but some studies suggest that flaxseed may have cancer-fighting properties. Remember those lignans we talked about earlier? Well, they're also phytoestrogens, which are plant compounds that can have anti-cancer effects. Some studies have shown that flaxseed may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including breast cancer, prostate cancer, and colon cancer. While more research is needed, these early findings are promising and highlight the potential health benefits of flaxseed. Last but not least, let's talk about blood sugar control. Flaxseed has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, which is especially important for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. The soluble fiber in flaxseed slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing those spikes and crashes in blood sugar that can leave you feeling tired and sluggish. Some studies have even shown that flaxseed can improve insulin sensitivity, which means your body can use insulin more effectively to lower blood sugar levels. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and information. Remember, incorporating flaxseed into your diet is a simple yet powerful way to boost your health. Whether you sprinkle it on your cereal, add it to smoothies, or incorporate it into your baking, there are plenty of ways to enjoy the benefits of this nutritional powerhouse. Start small, listen to your body, and as always, consult with your healthcare provider before making any major dietary changes. See you next time.